The MOVA V50 Ultra Complete is the latest flagship robot vacuum and mop from MOVA, a brand quickly gaining recognition for its smart, powerful, and user-centric home cleaning solutions. Built with premium features like AI-powered navigation, ultra-strong suction, a dual cleaning solution system, and a completely hands-off maintenance base, this device isn't just a tool, it's a smart cleaning companion for the modern home. Whether you're managing pet hair, kid messes, or high-traffic dust and debris, the V50 Ultra Complete is engineered to handle it all with minimal effort required from the user. Special thanks to MOVA for sponsoring this video. Be sure to shop the link in the video description. Positioned for households that demand more from their cleaning tech, the V50 Ultra Complete is ideal for families with pets, young children, or anyone who wants spotless floors with minimal effort. Its standout capabilities go well beyond surface-level cleaning. The pet-friendly DuoSolution system features dual tanks, one for general cleaning and another specifically for pet deodorizing, making it safe and effective for homes with furry companions. Users can assign specific rooms or zones to receive different solutions through the MOVA Home app, creating a truly customized cleaning experience. Thermal mopping technology heats water to break down grease and grime more efficiently, while built-in low liquid detection alerts the robot when a refill is needed, no guesswork required. MOVA also packed the V50 with industry-leading mobility. Thanks to its Stepmaster system, it can climb obstacles up to 6 centimeters high, one of the highest in its class, making it capable of transitioning from hardwood to high-ply carpets or even hopping onto raised tile thresholds. This is all made possible through retractable, bio-inspired wheels that grip and climb with control and stability. Complementing this, the FlexiRise navigation system features a retractable LiDAR sensor that automatically lowers when entering tight spaces, reducing the robot's total height to just 89.5 millimeters. That means it can slide under low-clearance furniture like couches and beds that other robots simply can't reach. Once in an open area, the sensors extend back to full height to provide a more accurate scan of the surroundings, ensuring precise and adaptive navigation at every turn. Cleaning performance is where the V50 Ultra Complete really shines. Its ultra-powerful motor produces 24,000 pascals of suction, more than enough to lift deeply embedded dirt and debris from both carpets and hard floors. The robot automatically detects when it's on carpet, boosts suction, and raises its mop pads to avoid soaking your rugs. Go a step further by having the V50 automatically remove the mop pads before vacuuming and then reinstall them automatically when it's time to mop. The Flex Boost Mop System 2.0 delivers spinning mops at 260 RPMs with 8 newtons of downward pressure to scrub away sticky messes, while the Flexi Press mop pad design ensures full contact with the floor at all times for a consistent streak-free finish. For homes with pets, MOVA added a triple anti-tangle brush system, combining mechanical brush design and bristle shaping that dramatically reduces hair wrapping, making this an ideal choice for anyone tired of cleaning out clogged rollers. Where this robot truly becomes a game changer is its maintenance-free operation. The all-in-one base station handles every major task, so you don't have to. After each cleaning session, the mop pads are washed using 176° Fahrenheit hot water to sanitize and refresh them. A jet spray dryboard system uses 20 high-pressure nozzles to thoroughly rinse the mop heads, while the OmniDry drying system pushes hot air at 140 degrees through the entire base, including the dust bag and internal bins, to prevent odors, bacteria buildup, or mildew. Refilling is automatic too. The clean water and cleaning solution tanks in the base automatically top off the robot as needed, meaning it's always ready for its next run. For most users, the only manual task left is emptying the dust bag every month or two. The MOVA V50 Ultra Complete isn't just another robot vacuum, it's a culmination of thoughtful engineering, practical innovation, and real-world usability. It adapts to your home, your messes, and your lifestyle, giving you a true hands-off cleaning experience from start to finish. From its powerful vacuum and smart mop system to its dual solution precision and obstacle tackling design, it's clear this robot was built for more than just looks. It's built to outperform. If you're ready to stop babysitting your robot vacuum and start enjoying cleaner floors every day, the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete is a compelling upgrade that doesn't cut corners, literally or figuratively.